Are you ready to unlock the power of keto and discover the 7 surprising health benefits that await you? In this video, we will delve deep into the science-backed advantages of adopting a ketogenic lifestyle. From weight loss and improved mental clarity to increased energy levels and better heart health, we've got it all covered. Plus, we'll address the common concerns and risks associated with keto, so you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes as we reveal the incredible benefits of going keto. Welcome back to our channel, your place for health and wellness tips. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Let's embark on this eye-opening journey to discover the true potential of the keto diet. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, is a high-fat, adequate protein, low-carbohydrate diet that has gained immense popularity in recent years. It involves replacing carbohydrates with fats, forcing the body to burn fat for energy instead of carbs. This metabolic state is called keto. When following a keto diet, you can expect to consume 70 to 80% of your daily calories from healthy fats, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Is the keto diet right for you? While the keto diet can be highly effective for many people, it's essential to consider both the benefits and risks before making a decision. People who might benefit the most from a keto diet include those looking to lose weight, improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and simplify their eating plan. However, individuals with certain medical conditions such as kidney or liver disease, as well as pregnant or breastfeeding women, should consult their healthcare provider before starting a keto diet. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and determine if the ketogenic lifestyle aligns with your personal health goals and constraints. 5 key reasons to try the keto diet. Here are 5 compelling reasons to give keto a try. 1. Weight loss. Keto can promote weight loss by shifting your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat. When your body burns fat for energy, it can lead to a reduction in appetite and an increase in satiety, making it easier to consume fewer calories overall. 2. Improved blood sugar control. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, the keto diet can help regulate blood sugar levels, making an effective approach for managing type 2 diabetes or preventing its onset. 3. Increased energy levels. Many people report feeling more energized and less fatigued when following a ketogenic diet. This is due to the abundance of ketones, an alternative fuel source for the brain, which can enhance cognitive function and reduce brain fog. 4. Reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of a keto diet can help alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions by reducing the consumption of pro-inflammatory carbohydrates and increasing anti-inflammatory fats. You can promote a healthier inflammatory response in your body. 5. Simplified eating plan. Keto can simplify your eating plan by allowing you to enjoy a wide variety of tasty foods, while avoiding the need to count calories or restrict portion sizes. It's important to note that while these benefits are possible on a well-executed keto diet, it's crucial to do it correctly and prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that the keto diet is safe and appropriate for you. Now, let's move on to the next point. Ketosis. An overview. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body primarily burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. When following a ketogenic diet, your body becomes more efficient at utilizing fat due to the drastic reduction in carbohydrate intake. During ketosis, your liver produces molecules called ketones, which are produced from the breakdown of fat. These ketones serve as an alternative fuel source for your brain and other tissues, leading to potential cognitive benefits and increased satiety. To achieve ketosis, it's essential to maintain a low carbohydrate intake, typically below 50 grams per day. Monitoring your ketone levels through urine or blood tests can help you determine when you've reached this metabolic state. We've made it halfway through our video. If you've enjoyed the insights so far, please do, I'd forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips. Let's continue exploring the amazing benefits of keto. Unveiling the benefits of keto. Beyond weight loss, the ketogenic diet offers a host of other potential benefits. For example, research suggests that keto may help improve symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of keto can help alleviate conditions like arthritis. Moreover, The diet has potential to boost energy levels and mental clarity, makes it appealing for individuals seeking improved cognitive function and focus. Potential risks of the keto diet. While the ketogenic diet has numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks. Some individuals may experience temporary side effects like the keto flu, which includes symptoms such as fatigue, headache, and nausea during the initial transition to keto. However, these symptoms typically subside within a few days. Additionally, a poorly planned keto diet may lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if you don't consume a variety of keto-friendly foods. It's crucial to ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals, particularly those that are often lacking in restrictive diets. The bottom line, the ketogenic diet can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being. From weight loss to improved mental clarity and energy, the potential benefits are vast. However, it's essential to prioritize a well-executed keto plan that includes whole, unprocessed foods and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and suitable for you. Don't be afraid to give keto a try and unlock the incredible benefits it has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others. Stay tuned for more informative content. We wish you the best in achieving your health and wellness goals. Imagine if there was a way to tap into your body's full potential, to unlock the hidden reserves of energy, focus, and vitality that you didn't even know you had. What if this could be achieved by simply changing the way you eat? Today, we diving deep into the world of keto and exploring 7 surprising health benefits that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about nutrition and wellness. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Now let's uncover the secrets of keto and discover how it can transform your life. No. 1. A deeper dive into ketosis. How it works and why it matters. At the heart of the ketogenic diet is a metabolic state called keto. But what exactly is ketosis? And why should you care? Picture this. You've decided to embark on a keto journey. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake, you're essentially tricking your body into burning fat for energy instead of carbs. This process kicks your metabolism into gear, turning fat into molecules called ketones that your body can use as fuel. But ketosis is more than just a metabolic switch. It's a powerful tool for weight loss, improved mental clarity, and even disease prevention. As you continue your keto journey, you might find that this metabolic flexibility becomes a key part of your long-term health strategy. Understanding ketosis is essential to navigating the world of keto. So keep learning, stay curious, and watch as your body transforms before your eyes. 2. The science of weight loss with keto. A comprehensive look at the mechanisms. When it comes to weight loss, the ketogenic diet has some serious tricks up its sleeve. Unlike traditional diets, keto doesn't just focus on calorie counting. It dives deep into the science of metabolism, helping you understand how your body burns fat and builds muscle. With keto, you learn to harness the power of keto, a clean-burning fuel source that can help you shed pounds while feeling energized and satisfied. But the benefits don't stop there. Keto also tackles the root causes of weight gain, like insulin resistance and hormonal imbalances. By following a keto plan, you can restore your body's natural rhythm, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight over the long haul. So if you're ready to take control of your weight and improve your overall health, the ketogenic diet might just be your ticket to success. 3. Beyond weight loss. Unveiling the surprising benefits of keto. The ketogenic diet is renowned for its effectiveness in weight loss, but its benefits extend far beyond shedding a few pounds. From improved mental clarity to reduced inflammation, keto has a lot more up its sleeve. When you switch to a high-fat, low-carb lifestyle, you're not only transforming your waistline, you're also giving your body a much-needed detox. Keto also has the power to boost your energy levels and improve your sleep quality. Say goodbye to afternoon slumps and hello to a vibrant, invigorating life. 4. Nourishing your body. Fueling your performance. The keto diet and exercise. The ketogenic diet isn't just about cutting carbs. It's about nourishing your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. When you switch to a keto-friendly lifestyle, you're giving your body the tools it needs to optimize performance and recover faster. With a diet rich in healthy fats and low in inflammatory carbs, you'll have the energy to crush your workouts and bounce back quickly when the going gets tough. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, the keto diet can help you unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. So why wait? Give keto a try and see the difference it can make in your athletic performance. 5. The ketogenic diet and your gut microbiome. A powerful connection. Your gut microbiome, a complex community of trillions of bacteria residing in your digestive tract, plays a pivotal role in your overall health. When you adopt the ketogenic diet, you're not only nourishing your body with healthy fats and low carbs, but also providing the perfect environment for your gut buddies to thrive. These beneficial bacteria feed on the fiber in keto-friendly foods, producing essential nutrients and strengthening your gut barrier. As a result, you'll experience improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a boosted immune system. It's like having your own personal army of gut superheroes fighting for your health. 24/7. 6. The anti-inflammatory power of keto. Reducing chronic inflammation for better health. Chronic inflammation has become a silent threat to our well-being, lurking behind many of today's most common diseases. But the ketogenic diet is here to save the day with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By switching to a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle, you're re-giving your body the tools it needs to fight back against inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Keto helps you achieve this by stabilizing blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and promoting the production of anti-inflammatory compounds. So if you're looking to reduce inflammation and improve your overall health, the ketogenic diet might be just what you need. 7. The keto diet and heart health. Separating fact from fiction. The relationship between the keto diet and heart health is a hot topic, with some people swearing by its benefits and others claiming it's too high in fat to be good for your ticker. But the truth lies somewhere in the middle. When done right, the ketogenic diet can actually improve your heart health by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. However, it's important to remember that not all fats are created equal, and processed meats and unhealthy oils can actually harm your heart. That's why it's crucial to choose the right foods when following a keto plan. With a little knowledge and care, you can enjoy the delicious flavors of a keto lifestyle while keeping your heart happy and healthy. The ketogenic diet is more than just a weight loss tool. It's a lifestyle that can improve your overall health and well-being in ways you never imagined. From boosting your energy levels to reducing inflammation, the benefits of keto are far-reaching and life-changing. But it's essential to approach keto with the right mindset, focusing on nourishing your body with healthy foods and staying informed about the potential risks. As you continue your keto journey, remember to listen to your body, consult with healthcare professionals, and embrace the positive changes that await you. We hope you've enjoyed this enlightening exploration into the world of keto. If you're ready to start your own keto journey, we'd love to hear about your experiences and the benefits you've discovered. Share your thoughts and inspire others in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Until next time, happy ketoing.